Shenzhen Grandeur Electronic Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of high-end flashlights and a law enforcement equipment supplier authorized by the Ministry of Public Security of China. We have our own research and development team and pay great attention to the originality of our products. The market center is located in Shenzhen, and the production center is located in Dongguan, covering an area of 3,000 square meters. Tank 007 brand products use high-quality materials and electronic components from excellent global suppliers, and are designed and produced by ourselves throughout the entire process to ensure stable quality and competitive prices. Over the years, we have established a team of skilled workers to ensure excellent quality and on-time delivery. The monthly output exceeds 200,000 pieces, and the yield rate reaches 99.9%. The company's products include UV flashlights, law enforcement, tactical, fire and explosion-proof, industrial, outdoor high-power, mini kitchen flashlights, jade identification, medical pen lights and other portable and durable LED lighting. After more than 15 years of development, the company has become an excellent brand and manufacturer in the high-end flashlight industry, and provides flashlight products and production services to many global famous companies. At present, Tank 007 brand flashlights are exported to more than 60 countries. We provide both OEM and ODM services, and welcome distributors and brand owners from all over the world to discuss long-term cooperation. We aim to produce highest quality standard LED lightings under reasonable cost-effective control.
Welcome to Tank 007. We are one of the earliest factory in China to produce and design the UV light. We are good at using the ultraviolet flashlights to achieve the best and professional application fields. So if you demand it, contact us. Law enforcement and firefighter series, criminal investigation series, outdoor and tactical series. All of them are waterproof and anti-drop, can adapt to the various harsh environments. So you can see there are more than 100 pieces of the flashlights in our factory. There must be one model can fit your demand.